In this video, I'm going to show you how to place your fender liner on the front of this Toyota Tacoma. It goes right inside your wheel arch and protects debris and water from going into the fender. So, let's get started. There are three 10mm screws along the top of the wheel arch here where the fender liner secures onto the fender. Let's take those off. Now you should be able to peel the fender liner off of the fender, or at least move it a little bit, which it is moving. So let's move on to plastic clips. In the front of the fender liner, if you peel it back, you'll see where one of the plastic clips attaches right there. We have to pinch these two tabs on it to release it. Now if you can just pry it from the front side, go ahead, but they don't always come out that way. Sometimes they break. There we go. You'll see several more of these, one of which is at the top towards the front here. I'm going to try and pry this one out, although I'm usually not successful in doing so because they have those two tabs coming in from the back side, and a lot of times you can't press them in. Oh, there we go. If they're still in decent enough condition, when you stick your trim tool in here, it will squish on the tabs. However, I'm going to be honest, most of the time these will end up breaking, so have some replacement push clips on hand in case these break. There's one more towards the back side. Looks like the trick on these is to wiggle your trim tool back and forth in order to press those clips in. Now you'll be able to push the fender liner down and in to pop it out. Push it out of the way. Towards the back, you'll see three more of these clips. Remove all three of these as well. Okay. If your truck has these mud flaps, remove the screws that hold it on. If not, you will still most likely have a couple screws here. Behind these two screws, there are two more of the same style clips that we removed earlier. Try and pry the top clip with a pick here. There we go. That way I can save it. There we go. Now you should be able to pull the fender liner back and straight out. There it is. Now take your fender liner, line it up. Once everything is lined up back here, get the push clips reseated. Now with those in, I can reattach the mud flap. And that just had three screws going into those clips. When you tighten these, just snug them, otherwise it'll strip out the plastic insert and you can't tighten it anymore. Looking up, there were three push clips that had to go in here. One at the top towards the back, one at the top towards the front, and one all the way in the front here, attaches on this bracket for the bumper. There we go. And the three screws that go on top. Now when you put these in, you want to make sure that the clips are lined up. There we go. To tighten these, you want to be careful because they go into plastic and you don't want to strip out the plastic insert. As soon as it gets snug, stop right there, move on to the next one. There we go, it's reinstalled.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.